Lip Glaze by Milk Makeup.
Kush Lip Glaze by Milk Makeup.
Kush Mascara by Milk Makeup.
Kush Mascara by Milk Makeup. Big Fatty Mascara by Urban Decay.
Kush Brow Gel by Milk Makeup.
Kush Brow Gel by Milk Makeup.
Organic Hemp Shimmer Stick by Bears Beauty.
Organic Hemp Shimmer Stick by Bears Beauty.
Gold Flake Hemp Lipstick by Kimmy Cosmetics.
Gold Flake Hemp Lipstick by Kimmy Cosmetics. Hemp Heavy Duty Face Protector by The Body Shop.
Cherry Kush Lip Balm by Nervinity Stick.
Cherry Kush Lip Balm by Nervinity Stick.
CBD Healing Skin Balm by Kanuka.
CBD Healing Skin Balm by Kanuka.
Hot Singles Eyeshadow in Kush by NYX.
Hot Singles Eyeshadow in Kush by NYX.
Weed Infused Lip Balm by Good Witch.
Weed Infused Lip Balm by Good Witch.
Roll Plus Blot Blotting Papers by Milk Makeup.
Roll Plus Blot Blotting Papers by Milk Makeup.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.